Baking and Buttercream Kitchen. Today we're making homemade Reese's Cups, but they're gonna look like snowflakes. So let's take a break and bake. So you're probably wondering what I mean by homemade Reese's Cups that look like snowflakes. I found these snowflake molds and I've been really wanting to use them, and I thought it's still winter, I should use them as soon as I can. And then I had a craving for a delicious candy, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. And I found a recipe that I can make them homemade, so I thought I would share the recipe with you guys. Now let's make these Reese's snowflakes. The ingredients you need are 1 1/4 cups of chocolate chips, half a cup of powdered sugar, half a cup of creamy peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of butter. The first step is taking your powdered sugar, peanut butter, and butter, and then it's time to mix it up. Make sure to mix it until everything is all smooth and well combined. Alright, so we just finished our peanut butter mixture, but now what we're gonna do, we're gonna melt our chocolate chips. I'm gonna do it the easy way by putting it in the microwave. Now that our chocolate is all melted, we're gonna add a very thin layer to the bottom of the mold. Then we're gonna spread some chocolate up the sides of the mold. We're gonna put it into the freezer for 5 minutes. After that, we'll put the peanut butter into the mold, and then we'll cover it in chocolate. After that, we'll put it back into the freezer for 10 minutes for them to completely harden, and then our homemade Reese's snowflakes will be complete. These Reese's snowflakes look so amazing. They look just like snowflakes. But I always was told 2 snowflakes ever look alike, but here's 5 that all look the same. Okay, I'm sorry, that was a pretty cheesy joke. These look so good, I'm so glad how they turned out, and the chocolate picked up all the small designs of the snowflake, which I'm so happy about. But now, it's time for the taste test. These taste so good. They actually taste so much like the original Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. You guys should really try this recipe. They taste so good. Thank you so much for watching this video of baking and buttercream. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make homemade Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. They taste so good, so much like the original. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with all your friends. Comment down below on another dessert you'd like me to make, or maybe even a challenge video. I would like to start doing a couple of those for you guys. Don't forget to check out the description box below because I have my social media links there. I have both Instagram and Facebook. I make a poster every Saturday. While you're down in the description box below, don't forget to click my link to the website so you can check my website out. There's a lot of cool features that I have there. You can watch my videos there, contact me, and more like that. And you can also go to my baking and buttercream store through the website, but I have a special link down below to the store where you can get anything I use in this video. Like always, click one of these videos right here. This one YouTube thinks you'll really enjoy. I think you'll like this one, and click this icon over here to subscribe to my channel. All right, have a great day.